Hi, I'm Ricky Guide, driving up to the Irazú, the tallest volcano in Costa Rica. This route is steep and scenic, ideal to stop on the side of the road for pictures. Restaurants and even a museum document the history of this area. Landscapes with forested patches, agricultural fields, views of Cartago city make this one of the most scenic routes. At some altitude, you'll be driving above the clouds, like in heaven. Take your time to see the potato fields, onions, carrots, sugar beets, and whatever vegetables are in season. See you ahead.